Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today I'm going to go through and show you and unbox a couple docking stations. Maybe not necessarily unbox them, but show you what they come in, and then I have ones that are already unboxed. So the first one I'm going to focus on today, and the preferred one, is going to be an HP Hewlett-Packard docking station. And I got a couple of these back here. So they could come in either. These are the same docking stations. It could either come in this particular box or this. Both the same thing. And I'll show you. I just don't want to take them out of the box. I'm going to put them back on the shelf because they're brand new. But that's basically what they come in as. So you get little peripherals, if you would, but which we don't necessarily use if you want to hook up other types of devices. And we have there's different adapters in this particular one, which we don't even use here, but they're available in that particular box. So let's close this up. I'm going to put that back on the shelf for future use. Oh my God, if I can do, oh my Lord. All right, throw that over there. And then this is basically the same thing. I'm not sure if it comes with the other shit that the other one came with. It might. Yep, comes with the same stuff. So the splitter's in there too. It's just in another box like that. So that's basically what you would expect, depending on the box that you receive if you order it. I'm not sure if these is commercial packaging. I'm not sure what commercial packaging is. This could be the commercial packaging, or it just could be for my particular employer because they purchase in bulk. So this is basically the docking station that is out of the box. Obviously, it's out of the box because it's my hand. And you've got two D ports here. So I call them D ports. And so does a lot of people. Just they'll hook up to your monitor devices. There is an HDMI right here, which if you want to do 3 monitors, which I could easily do. It's a little desk. I've got two monitors on here. It's a little desk, there's where your Ethernet would go. Unless you have wireless, you don't really need it. 2 USBs right here, and 2 USBs on the side. And of course, you need headphones if you use headphones. Of course, if you want more USBs, you can just get a USB hub. All right, and then you've got your power cord. I'm not sure if this is an older power cord or not, or if this is standard or what it comes in. These days, these are fairly newer. So yeah, it looks like the same size power cord on that. So pretty easy assembly, right? Cheers. Where'd it go? Where'd the other end go? Oh, it's on the floor. Okay. Oh my God. What a mess. Now it's in my chair. All right. Handled that with a little more class than I did, okay? All right, and then it's just assemble, obviously. So this particular one, when I first started here, and I'm not embarrassed to say it because I'm an idiot, I had no idea where to stick this thing. It goes right. I mean, even in here, I was looking. So there's the power outlet or adapter or whatever you want to call it. You just plug it in right in there, and then it goes down like that. And the piece that in this particular one, I'm not sure if I like this or not. Not that I've ever had problems with, but the piece that goes into your computer is stationed in the piece, meaning you can't take it out and replace it. And if you can, you can't do it very easily. And I'll show you the Kensington in the next video where you can. So if there is something wrong with this wire, not that you got to worry about it around here because we have plenty, but if it's something for home use that you just bought and there's something wrong with this, after time, you can't just replace the core. So I don't know if that's ever been an issue. It hasn't been an issue around here, so I wouldn't concern yourself with it. So okay, so we got to get the power cord down there, and try to think of the easiest way to get it down there without destroying anything. All right. I'm all tangled up. I'm all crazy. This is the story of my life. I'm always a mess. All right, so get everything in there. All right, and we get down there. I trust that you know how to plug in a power cord, so I'm not going to film myself plugging in a power cord. Oh, they're just finding out an outlet. I'll be right back with you. All right, if anything explodes, I might not be back up. All right, all right. So she's all powered in. I'm gonna take my two monitors. I'm gonna hook them up to two D ports that are back there. Yeah, it's pretty easy. If it doesn't go in one way, flip it around and put it in the other way. All right. Or if you got an HDMI, there's an HDMI port back there. All right. And then I've got my mouse and my keyboard. So put that in there. Put that in there. Make sure it's on. There's a power button in the front. Just make sure that's on. This is a weird setup. I got a Dell and a Philips monitor. I'm not sure. This isn't my desk. This is just kind of like a practice desk. So you can see they're both on. Let's plug this into the computer. So I'll show you here. So there's going to be a place for this particular laptop. It's right here. These are all universal, so these will work for both HP and Dell's, these docking stations. So those are all both universal, so it doesn't matter either or. Power cord in there. I'm going to fire her up. You can see that, yeah. All right, cool. My Dell's not on, but I think it will be on once, because I just plugged everything in. That's probably why it's not showing up, but it is on. It is powered on. Now you can do, with this particular docking station, if you have two monitors, you can obviously use two monitors, or you can use your laptop for a third. And if you're extra rich and groovy, you can get a third one and do an HDMI, which I already explained for you. So we'll let this load a minute. And so, like I said, these are the most, what am I trying to say? The technicians here, the IT people here will grab an HP first before Kensington. They seem to not be as quirky as the Kensingtons. We don't have a lot of troubleshooting issues for these. They don't seem to ever break or go down. The Kensingtons seem a little quirky, depending. And there's my other monitor there if you can't see it. And we had a lot of Kensingtons though, so we tried to do people on site. We try to give them the Kensingtons, and then people off site, because they don't go down as much, they don't break as much, and they work better, is the HPs. Sorry, Kensington, we've done a lot of these, and so we know. And you're still good. I have my Kensington that I've had for a year, and I've never had one issue with it. So it depends, but I can go and grab another one if I want one. If these are for home use, you can't exactly go, 20 feet and grab another one and set it up. So, okay, let me get out of this. And then if you want to, kind of extra bonus, you just go to display settings. And so it's these three monitors here. Identify 1, 2, 3. And we'll use this as the main. Let me identify again. Oh, this is 2. So we'll go here. And that's already used as the main one. So, yep. Get back here. Jeez. All right, let me identify again. So 1, 2, 3. So there we go. All right, guys and gals, this is the HP docking station. It's the DisplayLink 4K, and I will put all the specs in the description for you. And that's it. I'm going to move on to the Kensington next video. I hope you got something out of this. I would recommend it highly. I mean, it's a great docking station. If you're going to purchase it for home use, I would purchase one as well. And never had any problems with them. They've never gone down. I've been here a year. I've replaced a lot of docking stations. I've installed a lot of docking stations. Not once have I ever had an issue with an HP docking station. So you can take that to the bank. And I've done a lot of them. All right, gals and guys. Thank you as always. I appreciate you as always. If you could please subscribe. I would appreciate that. Please share if you know someone that wants a docking station and they're not sure which one to purchase. And please like. You'll help the YouTube algorithm. You'll help me on the YouTube algorithm to reach out to other people. And then hit the bell if you like updates on all my groovy content. All right, gals and guys, I appreciate you as always, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Woohoo!